2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, front floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, electronic stability control, MP3 player, passenger airbag, power windows, child safety locks, rear floor mats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.